Hello, this is Ariana from Fing, and today we're gonna unbox the Pimoroni Fing Agent. So here's the box. You have a few notes from us once you open it. Thank you note, which also has a discount code, and also a few instructions. Don't worry, this is pretty simple. Of course, the most important thing is the Raspberry Pi 4, which already has the Fing Agent installed in it, which is basically the point of all this, and it's great. You have a few cables, power outlet cable, and also the Ethernet one, which you're going to use to plug the Raspberry Pi to your router. Of course, we also have a few adapters. That means that if you're from all over the world, you need to worry. We also included a few stickers because, who doesn't love stickers? Let's come back for a sec to the instructions. What you're going to do is you're going to plug the unit to your router with the Ethernet cable. Then you're going to plug the Raspberry Pi to your power outlet. You wait a few minutes and then you can open your Fing mobile app. And it's basically done and you have 24/7 network monitoring. It's great. This is everything. Thank you for watching.